94.7 Asempa FM Suni all talk all day. Ekosiisen Gyamfi na wasugusu a utie no. We are still here said American kai and yene petitioners no so spokespersons ebedi enkomo. Yenim se ene 6 p.m. pepepe there former president who is the petitioner kasa. But I would want to pick some few thoughts now for yahwe etumi atwa so mamen kai wo se enyumeko bebre na na eboa ya me de Ekosiisen Gyamfi abrem. And me was some really good news edema mo a mutie yen ehia papa insuo na wo benom a yakamfo awake purified drinking water ena ede amamo awake insuo a unya ebeboa wo eba in different sizes nti emfa ho ne ubotom ubenya wo so ene odie nsuo na ne ti no lemon green se we ho a ne ti ne lemon green awake purified drinking water ebo adwuma brutal oka awake ane ya so one for life na kai se bottle ba kwa obeto bia no ye ti sika ni bi de Koboa National Cardiothoracic Center ewo Kolebu Kasapreko Company Limited nsuo and Kasapreko ISO certified company to among fast standards in Niagara. Number obefrey 0262 351 251 0262 351 251 na only one etumi edi enkomo. Kasama for edema petitioner John Dramani Mahama, lawyer Sammy Gyamfi, eka spokespersons na lawyer akwaba na apom to saying
minia onyame amode wo
yeah, Danyamia say, ene eja anya babido after 50 days of going to court, no Supreme Court, everyone final judgment, no aba betudra. Minim from Momo Camp, no, near mom to saying.
Obi midase. You were John Dramani Mahama, or they assemble echo down court, and then on one casa, and a person for our courts. It's a court no decision or the ABA. A lawyer for Egusua Yeshim. It's Mia Boya Maya, a detailed legal constructive analysis and criticism on the judgment.
Ekosiisen on Asempa FM.
So BBI cool lawyer catch. Clearly you can see the decision court no dia to dwano enfonso bibire wom atentere ni nya adwuma ye ntantia na aye adwuma ye de no krena sie ama nkontompu na edi ade but to say the edi kan no nyina ye ba no dani ye kandifo Ira John Dramani Mahama na enwumrei no sia obekasa ama party ni nyina na dream about the decision, any other issues are a border on the democracy and the future of this country, or the Africa. In Mefa Sa Quenya so. Namedia, one who tea say, won't say any a boa man, yes, a name you bring with Yanidium, Ura, John Dramani Mahama, Obeba TV, so Obeba radio, so no, no, mine, no, Ababekasa. Na, not drain any party, not drain about 7 quarters na kano. Ye dear tuga. Na say or no di kan say we are. Na the position of the party be clear. Now the years why a lawyer for the Kasama for yes, so that by that time can you time a steady decision here. Then we can do an in-depth analysis of the decision. But I mean on the surface, you can see that clearly. There's a very bad decision. I said a very bad precedent. Ghana, Kabi. But we will leave the details until after the address to the nation by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama at 6 p.m.
But Sadia Wokan more a lawyer for no crafting a mobile a legal critique of the judgment. Number to me, I'm a more constructive reaction. And I would want to believe, say, petitioner John Dramani Mahama on your lawyer to start with, ebia on yes, proper critique of the judgment. Enquire emotional reaction, and you may.
No. Everybody knows that John Mahama is not somebody who emotionally reacts to such issues of national importance. We were in court yesterday. Court, okay. We've gone
on
so for his purposes, speaking as the leader of the party, a presidential candidate, and the petitioner, I mean, he can make a speech and give a direction to the party and also to the millions of people who may not be NDC members but who voted for him, and even for those who did not vote but are yearning to hear him what he has and know not dream about the apostle what steps he will take in the future. At least he has enough to speak to the nation and address those issues. So another battle. But doing that necessarily, that will not be legalist necessarily. So a lawyer for analysis for Baba and whoever you do legal jargons and rules and laws and all that. A lawyer for no. And yes, sir. In due course, we are by Ochina Chinechi na enyemwada ho fine. Na yetimiya di nkomo ako into detail.
Expect to say
this is a decision unjust, unfair, and a decision I conceal the truth. Na I'm protected and defended.
Ekosiisen
and there was a who this way at all times. Clearly, that is what the decision is.
Expect to say Obeka Bibi Efa or no ane future in politics, huh?
Expect to say Obeka Bibi about the Obekos Wayama or my Ghana
FM
Puntu and your my Ghana in Kanko.
It's a review on the cards.
That one I don't have any if you like advice or direction from either the petitioner or counsel for the petitioner. Into Yabetre, you sure say by Ochinano, petitioner, counsel for the petitioner, advice here in spokespersons, and they will be in a position to say something about that. Yeah, but so far nothing like that has come out.
Moko court and then for the final judgment, no, was it more expectations the petition will be dismissed as being without merit? In Yinasubi more wasted court in a time, basically.
Do you want an honest answer or a political answer?
Speak as a lawyer Sammy Gyamfi.
If I'm speaking as a lawyer, then I would tell you
on Asempa FM.
The very outcome the court deliver. I mean, nothing surprises me because we heard the trajectory of the case. Various rulings courts like give it their posture, and some of the things some of the judges said in the course of the trial. I'm not surprised that they ended up with a decision to dismiss the petition. I'm not surprised at all. Not surprised. And I think this was a very predictable judgment. A lot of people predicted that it would go against the petitioner, rightly so, because I'm sure they saw certain things that made
based on the strength of the petitioner's case. No,
I'm not sure it had nothing to do with the strength of the petitioner's case. I'm not sure because clearly I believe that the way the trial was conducted was fair hearing and argument. So fair hearing and argument. And how will a trial if bereft of fair hearing arrive at a fair conclusion? So very unfortunate and very sad for our democracy and constitutionalism, and also the principle of probity and accountability that undergirds our constitution. Because those who were supposed to be held accountable, they've been left off the hook. It's very unfortunate, but
Ekosiisen on Asempa FM.
And mefa konya we so na mene nipa 88 NDC for mo to aba my mo manto mo dojo ma ama ne de keka ho say all hope is not lost. We've been in this situation before, but the NDC has always survived it. The NDC has always survived it. Cadres will go, cadres will come. But the revolution, in this case the NDC, has come to stay. It is just a phase. I believe that it will change very soon. the party will rise again. The party will bounce back stronger, reorganize, revitalize, and do anything necessary to ensure that you have regaining power. Now, and it's what you know, Papa, 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 one more my Ghana. Say, you be an Amer, Numa, and Puntu, I want to Pepeyo, Asundri, Nemra, I hear Juma Bagana. Yet in your queen, I assign.
And Sonny Bejarma Wakono, Maminya clarity way. There is a post going round attributed to you. Say, and then now yes, I post to Facebook. Can you confirm? Say, you want our trust, Aniamano?
Yeah, I can go.
Ekosiisen on Asempa FM.
They came from you.
Yes, please.
Hey, now what's that? Nasia Saya Kaimu Biuye.
It came from me. Men can was for now, because Supreme Court have made a decision, and you paying pie babekasa. So we have to put everything on hold and listen to our leader. And so we will take a decision at the right time. But for now, the decision I've taken is that, given the fact that we have this Supreme Court decision to tackle, and a lot depends on us as communicators to do that job. And also, a flag bearer is about to address the nation, and even after he addresses the nation, we will have to discuss the content of his address, and also giving the advice that other senior members of the party have given to some of us. If at a certain point in time it becomes necessary for us to revisit that subject, we'll revisit it. But for now, no. Akumamra form. Na yanko so nyedi that so say NDC no emu yet yase. Na
Ekosiisen on
our
Asempa
comeback will
FM.
be the most glorious than ever before. And let's have confidence in our party leadership. Let's have confidence in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Let's all make a date with him at 6 p.m. But
you stand by every single word or sentence in that post.
Of course. You know me. I don't just speak. I do a lot of thinking and analysis and assessment before I speak. So I'm not one of those ginger-headed people who just speaks out of 10. I mean everything I said. And if it becomes necessary for me to go beyond that, I will. But for the time being, it is not necessary. Because the purpose has been achieved, and we need to give respect to elders of the party. So, for now, dear, I'm not commenting. John Mahama's address to the nation on the Supreme Court decision.
Samema, Yanasi, Ebesia Dinkomobio. Why? Okay. Ekosiisen High Asempa 94.7 FM. Some 4 minutes and it will be 5 p.m.